How to play YouTube in background. Firstly, open up your YouTube app. On YouTube, make sure you are logged in to your account. Now YouTube has a premium version. You can purchase the premium version to get background play. However, I'm going to tell you two methods. The first method is by getting YouTube Premium. YouTube Premium has the feature of background play. As you can see here, it says ad-free, download videos, and background play. You can pick any membership and you will get these features. Scroll down to see all the types of membership. If you use Samsung, then this is a feature on Samsung. You can go to your background app and tap and hold on the app that you would like to play in background. Now you can create split screen by putting it on the top or the bottom. If you leave it at the center, then it will create a floating island like this. Now you can scroll down and select the video that you want to play. After that, you can put it on the background and this will play, and at the same time you can use your device. Just slide it across the screen and now the song will play in the background, and just like that you can use your device like regular. That's all for today. Thank you.